Today we're here at United Envelope to talk about what's so cool about manufacturing.
To answer that question, let's take a look inside and talk to the ones who do these jobs themselves.
I'm a customer service representative. Well, I come from a background in manufacturing and with customer service, with order entry and quoting and different things from my background, I was able to take on this position.
I am a scheduling coordinator at United Envelope. So every single day we create a new document that tells us where all of the jobs that customer service gives to us, we put it in order.
What we do is, when we do get our file, we're not just creating a proof. What we're also really doing is making sure everything is correct.
My name is Jeff Bunker, and I'm the operations manager here at United Envelope. I got this position by working here for the last 18 years at this wonderful company.
So we want to verify that all the information that's on this envelope right here is transferred onto the envelope that we're currently running. So if there's any issue, there's a code on there. We have an approval stamp that we put on. I put my initials on it. And then the last one is going to stay with us.
So, what is so cool about manufacturing? Let's find out from the people who know the job inside and out.
My favorite part of working in manufacturing is that the envelopes that we get to make here show up in the post office and in my house.
What's really exciting is learning new techniques, because there's a lot of like 1960s technology that we're using, and then there's like totally modern technology, and you're living in this world between both.
I enjoy the challenge and spending time with my co-workers.
So in the end, manufacturing is cool because you get to see the results of your hands-on work, you get to work in a specialization diverse market, and you get to work with advancing technology.